Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. I am Fazira binti Mohd Sabri. My matric number is BACL 180508891 and my supervisor is Dr. Nurul Ashikin binti Zulkifli. Today, I will present my research project which the title is The Effects of Different Processing Techniques on the Physico-Chemical, Stability and Organoleptic Quality of Coconut Milk Drink. This is the outlines that I will present today. First is Chapter 1, Introduction, that consists of background of study, problem statement, significance of study, and objectives. Background of this study is due to the health concerns. It has changed the demand for dairy milk alternatives as beverage. To improve human health, it is considered to produce and switch to a more development of plant-based milk due to there is still lack of study of the type of products and the stability condition information, although it becomes cow's milk alternatives. The coconut milk drink will be treated with different processing techniques to identify the stability as well as the acceptance by the consumers. The problem segment or an area of concern in this study is especially young children have milk allergy, lactose intolerance that make them not available to consume dairy beverages. The demand for coconut milk increase due to plant-based beverage can be excellent substitute of animal's milk. Coconut milk is not widely distributed in Malaysia and still lack of published literature. A condition to be improved is the quality and the stability of the coconut milk drink. A difficulty to be eliminated is unstable of coconut milk drink for storing in normal temperature, and the separation between cream and serum layer occur due to the unsuitable of temperature and time used in treatments of products. This all leads to quality and stability of coconut milk drink. Next is significance of study to produce coconut milk drink for suitable to consume as substitute to dairy milk beverages and changing to healthy lifestyle. This new study area is important to determine the optimum temperature and suitable time to produce new and improving of coconut milk drink with respect to quality characteristics. By the physico-chemical, stability analysis and organoleptic quality of coconut milk drink samples, it will be produced newer and tailor-made products and also can be present in low purchasing price. The objectives of this study are to study the effect of different processing techniques on physico-chemical and stability of coconut milk drink and to evaluate the organoleptic quality of coconut milk drink prepared using different processing techniques. Next is Chapter 2, which is Literature Review. So, what is coconut milk? Coconut milk consists from multiplicities compositions, depends on maturity stage, growing environments, and methods of preparations. In addition, the different origin of coconut fruit will give different nutritional properties due to its environments of surroundings, which contains high in vitamins, fibers, and minerals that differ to each type of fruits. Coconut milk is an oil in water emulsion which have continuous phase, water, and dispersed phase, oil. Quality of coconut milk drink that will be produced such as color, taste, viscosity, emulsion, and stability differ to the dairy milk, which lead to the acceptability by the consumers for the best of products that being treated with different processing techniques. Next is Chapter 3, which is Materials and Method. This study will start with preparation of samples, treatments, physico-chemical analysis, stability analysis, organoleptic quality, and statistical analysis. The raw ingredients will be used are pure coconut milk, water, sugar, carboxymethyl cellulose as stabilizer, and sodium benzoate as preservative, which is antimicrobial. The flow of the preparation process will start with CMC will be dissolved in water and pure coconut milk will be mixed with other ingredients. The sample will be treated with 63 degrees Celsius 30 minutes as control CMDS0 and will be homogenized. The other treatments will be used same process. The process will be repeated for other treatments which is 50, 60, 70 degrees Celsius for 10 and 30 minutes for coconut milk drink sample 1, 2 and 3 which CMDS1, CMDS2 and CMDS3 respectively. This temperature and time used is referred to the dairy pasteurization temperature due to lack of study on coconut milk drink. Physico-chemical analysis. The first analysis that will be done is the color analysis using chromometer CR400 will be analyzed the color of the coconut milk drink after being treated by different processing techniques. With L value is lightness, A value is green to red, and B value is blue to yellow will be identified. Next is determination of pH using digital pH meter 211 to identify the acidic or basic of coconut milk drink. pH is an important quantity that reflects the chemical conditions of sample and it controls the availability of nutrients, microbial activity, and the behavior of chemical. Next is determination of total soluble solid using handheld master refractometer 20M to measure the sugar content of samples. Determination of viscosity. A digital viscometer model DV2 Plus Pro will be used to identify the type of flow of the samples that involves viscosity, which the spindle need to dip into sample up to immersion mark on spindle shaft and will be identified the reading. One of the stability analysis is determination of optical microscopy. Light microscope model Ellipse E100 LED MAR will be used to observe the microstructures of samples under 4, 10, 40 and 100 times of objective magnification by taking the picture as observation after the sample placed on microscope slide. Determination of creaming index or changes of emulsion stability will be using formula which to identify the separation rate between two layers of separation of oil and water after 24 hours stand at room temperature. After that, the organoleptic quality will be done by selection of subjects among students at Unizal Besut campus for 50 number of subjects using hedonic test due to untrained panel will be used. The statistical analysis will be done using two-ways ANOVA method using SPSS software. Next is expected outcomes. Expected outcomes for this study is the effects of different processing techniques for each treatment will be compared and will be identified the correlation related between physical, chemical, stability and organoleptic quality of coconut milk drink. As all the characteristics are connected, it influences the stable product quality, good appearance and acceptance of coconut milk drink that can be consumed as ready-to-drink products. Next is Gantt chart of this study. The sampling will be start on February and will be proceed for development of coconut milk drink on the same month and the analysis that plan will be finished in April. Lastly, these are the references that I used to refer on the study, which the most important is the journal about milk emulsions, structure and stability, due to my study that compared with milk products, properties and structure of coconut milk emulsions and effect of heatings and homogenization on stability of coconut milk emulsions, as so many as my references. That's all from me, thank you.